Hey guys, Akash here. So I'm back with a new video. On this video, I'm going to cover the complete steps. How to install Ubuntu on Windows. And here you can use all the Linux command. Don't miss any of the steps. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to stay tuned for the upcoming videos. So let's start with the video. First, search for Turn Windows feature on. Under that, select the option Windows Subsystem for Linux. After that, you will get the option to restart. Go ahead and restart it. So the next thing that we have to look for the command prompt. Don't miss to run this as an administrator. Type the first command reflecting on the screen. This will help to install the Ubuntu on the system. Wait till the installation gets completed. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon and like the videos. That's what makes me motivated to bring out new contents for you. After the installation gets completed, you will get an option to update your username and the password. After this setup is done, type exit. It will exit the command. So this is how we can easily install the Ubuntu on any of the Windows version. Have a good day. Bye for now.